Welcome to Paper Magic. This is the first in the series of paper magic tricks, and it uses a couple of small boomerangs. Actually, this actually is a small boomerang. It says small on it. And a slightly larger boomerang, which says large on it. I could hold these up like this, and you can tell that the large is larger than the small, but I also have a camera that's going to give us a perfect view so you can visually see that one is the small and one is large. Now here's my superpower that most people do not have. I can actually stretch things with my fingers. Check it out. If I just kind of do this. Now from your view, it looks like I'm just kind of bending it or twisting it, but I'm actually stretching the fibers. And as I do, you'll notice that the small boomerang is getting larger and larger. Look, now the large is much smaller. Wait a minute, hold on, I was just holding at different lengths, but when I put these side by side, you can see that now the small is definitely larger than the large. There's nothing up my sleeves, no extra boomerangs or anything. Now obviously if I can stretch the small, I should also be able to stretch the large, which is what I'm going to do right before your eyes. And faster than you can say Shazam. Check that out. It returns, and now the large is much larger than the small. But I think that it's more ironic to stretch the small so that it is larger than the large. And the cool thing about this is that there's no sleight of hand. It literally works itself. Oh, and here's the best thing. At the end, you can hand these to your friends because they'll maybe want to see if one of them looks like it's shrunken or been stretched. And what they'll discover, because a lot of people think it's just an optical illusion, but when they put them together, stack them, you can see now, and your friends will see, that the small actually is bigger than the large. And that is an amazing optical illusion.
Paper Magic Tricks, brought to you by magician Jeff Evans.